I'm standing here by a section of the first large contract for the Northgate to Linwood Link Light Rail Extension Project. It's being done by a joint venture of contractors. But what I'm here to talk about today is something that you can't see from looking at the project. This is actually done using a GCCM project delivery method. So let's unpack that for a second. So first of all, project delivery method. That's just basically the contractual relationships and how people relate to one another to deliver the project. Specifically, we're typically talking about the owner, the builder or the contractor, and the designer. So in this case, in a GCCM, the owner hires the designer, but they also, early in the design process, hire a contractor. And so what that contractor does is it works with the designer and reviews the designs, does a bunch of other stuff for the owner too, and looks at cost effectiveness and makes suggestions. And so really what happens, ideally, is you get a design that is eminently buildable by a contractor because they've had a say in what that design looks like. Now, in this form of GCCM, the contractor that gets hired early to look at the design also has the right to do a certain percentage of the actual contract work. And so in this particular case, this joint venture actually negotiates with Sound Transit for a maximum price to perform the work. And the nice thing about this is you think you probably will get a decent deal from the contractor because they're very familiar with the design, they've had a say in how it's put together, and so it's more easily constructed, and so you can save some money in construction that way. So this is a GCCM. A lot of these larger contractors actually like this GCCM method. One, because they get a say in design, and two, because they're actually selected based on qualifications, which many of them, rightfully so, think they have pretty good qualifications to do this kind of work.